There are some deals to be had and found. Like 47 cents each. Shut up. That's just too great. So I'm going to put this. Hey guys, renting kimono. This is a great video. I'm very hyper. I haven't even had coffee today, but I'm hyper. Let's talk really quickly about my favorite app ever called Fetch Rewards. Oh my gosh. Go to the bottom description bar. Download it, use my referral code, it's right there on the screen. If you're a couponer, you're sitting on 1 million receipts, start photographing them. Today you'll be given 2,000 points, which is $2 when you photograph your first receipt after downloading the app. And this app, or especially November, December, moving towards the holidays, they often have free items. So sign up today. These items are often found on your discoveries page, and it's just a little bit extra something, especially in the month of December. If you've been sleeping on this and being like, I don't want to download something extra for my phone, do it today, guys. So you will be, in business to get some free stuff late November and December. It's a terrific app, very easy to use. If you're going to buy an Egg McMuffin in the morning or whatever, you'll get points on every purchase. It's just tremendous. So please check it out. Link in the description. And if you use my code at sign up, you're going to be given an extra $2 today. Gift cards start, around the $5 mark. You probably could get like a Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks gift card today. So if you're sitting on a bunch of receipts, never heard of this app, go and check it out. And don't forget to use my code. I would really appreciate it. So let's start talking about the haul. Hello. You want to say hi to everybody? Hello. She's in search of some Meyer rotisserie chicken, as is her two little. I have to go to Meyer to get them a roasted chicken later today. But they come up here looking for chicken, and it would be rude of me if I didn't give them some chicken. The kittens are doing really good, and a weather report for you. Kind of a cooler one here today. Hi to my mom, she's watching, and Miss Kitty also says hi with her babies. And I think this one wants the kittens too. Okay, guys, this is insanity with a punctuation mark. There's some bugs. The 5 off of 20 booster is not working. I'll just throw that on the table. However, I still managed to get my entire haul for free and a $7.68 moneymaker, including some hidden clearance we're going to talk about. So I'm really excited about this haul. Even though it seems like a nothing week, if you can make something out of nothing, that's the kind of week I like over at Walgreens. Okay, so in case you missed it on my Walgreens preview video on Friday, I'm giving away a set of these shaving cream coupons. My store was cleared out of the shaving cream, so I couldn't even do the deal. One of you will get 10. Please check out that video if you want to win 10 of these unicorn coupons valid all week to get some money-making shaving cream over at Walgreens. Okay, so let's talk about the first basket that I did. The booster that I had for this one was 3,000 points when you spend 15. My balance after my register rewards was only 939, but I still got my 3,000 points when you spend 15, which is weird. But the counterpart of that for this, with the 5,000 when you spend 20, it just would not work. And typically on Sundays, it just does not work. So it's kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. So the biggest find today was these. And my mother-in-law likes this one, so I grabbed some for her. And they're on clearance, guys, for 47 cents. So that's 90% off. Look for this one with this UPC, and it's 47 cents. It's just, wow. Now, unfortunately, when you buy 2 of these, you will not get your 5,000 points, but 47 cents for soft soap body wash is just like absolutely winning and dancing in the end zone. And the 75 cent off of one also did not attach to this, but I would pay 47 cents all day for this body wash, and I was so fortunate to land 6 of them. So 47 cents times 6 is $2.82. I also grabbed 2 of these guys, which is a Revlon lipstick, and it is in the colors on the back here, 500, which is called Cashmere Cream. Now, these were on clearance for $5 and 29 cents each, these specific ones. And somebody had very carefully put them in a different part of the display because the wrong ones were with the tag, but then I went back and looked for this one, which is the 500. Not every store has the same clearance too. It's always a year, mileage may vary, but I would definitely dance your way to the store to try and find those if you can find them for 47 cents. Okay, so these little guys were on clearance for $5.29. Two of them is $10.58. So I was trying to get my basket to $20 to use that first booster, but a different one attached. And then I got 2 DiGiorno pizzas, $6.99 on a buy one, get one free, which is a fantastic promotion. The total is $20.39. I had 2 register rewards, a $6 from the Tide deal a couple weeks ago, plus a $5, I think, from a makeup deal last week or something, I don't know. So my new total I paid out of pocket cash because I thought this when you spend 20 get 5,000, I thought that would attach, but it did not. So I paid $9.39 cash out of pocket plus my tax, and then I did in fact get a register reward when I bought 2 clearance Revlons. Thank you Dawn's Deals for mentioning that first thing this morning. She is an all-star, but I didn't get back 15,000 points for my soft soap. However, I did get back 15,000 points. I got 3,000 points back for this basket. It's also my birthday month. Plus, I also had a, the everyday points got doubled or whatever it is. So I got an extra 2,000. So that's 3. So that's 5 with the 3,000 for this basket plus the 10 times every day, which was 2,000 points for this basket. Then I also hit Beauty Club for the purchase of the lipstick and the body wash. And then I had some sort of monthly doubler or tripler on my account that if I did 3 trips and spent $20, I would get back 5,000 points. And I also hit that. So after everything was said and done, and it would have been nice to get 15,000 points for the body wash, but it is what it is. This was a $12.61 money maker for me. I know not everybody can do it, but if you could find clearance Revlon or find the 47-cent body wash, go today. This will get cleared really quickly, but just what a solid deal. And this pizza, I love it. It's my favorite. It's just really a good pizza. Right balance of flavor, the onions and the olives, and it's my favorite. So I got 2 for this transaction. So like, I'm so hyper with this deal. So the next deal I did was with the 5,000 when you spend 20. Now my sneaky suspicion is, guys, that booster isn't working for anyone. Maybe it'll work online, maybe it won't. But it's similar to last week where they're changing Beauty Club out. They have a new app. Plus they're releasing a new program for shoppers to go in there called My Walgreens. And yet the old app, I guess there's a lot of bugs in it, and it's oh, so annoying. So the only way I would say to proceed with this is one of 2 options, guys. If your store is super friendly and the manager will toss on the points on your store card, or if you don't mind being on hold with customer service or dealing with customer service, and that can be quite the crapshoot because I know that a lot of people, like, it wasn't the greatest experience last week. A friend of mine on Instagram, it was really quite the roller coaster. So if you don't want the drama, I would recommend to wait later in the week. And then I'm also kind of wondering what's going to happen with the beauty event booster. Spend 25, get 7,000. That also might be a mess. And we'll talk about that more on Wednesday. So just to talk about my basket of what I did, I got 2 of the DiGiorno pizzas, and I already put the pizzas in my freezer because it's just a lot. with this box, it really can bulk up your freezer quickly. So what I do is I'll either grab a quick photo or cut this out and leave it on my fridge, you know, so if I want to know how to make it, I have it all there. But like taking a photo and leaving this in your phone, you know, you'd have all the information, and then these bulky boxes are just not in the way. So 2 of these, $6.99 for the first, the next one is free. That's a really great deal. The Tide this week are $4.99. They're $2 digital coupons. Now what happened here was the $2 for the Tide Pod attached. This one didn't. So the coupon's also not attaching, so that's kind of annoying as well. And then I grabbed 4 of these Dawns, and they're 99 cents each. So looking at this basket, guys, the total for all of this was $20.93. Now I thought if I paid cash for the balance, I would get back 5,000 points, but that was not the case. But let's just pretend it did, and then I'll tell you what I did to get my missing coupon and the 5,000 points. So $20.93, I used one $7 register reward, and then we had 2 digitals for the Tide Liquid and Tide Pod. So in theory, the total would be $9.93 I would have to pay cash. And then I should have got back my 5,000 points for spending 20 on this basket. And then I should have got back my 5,000 points for spending 20 on this basket. I didn't get that. Now, there's a very nice manager at my store, and I basically explained what was going on, and he's like, give me your store card. He put 7,000 points, 5,000 for the missing booster, and then 2,000 for the missing Tide. I could have kissed him on the mouth. I was so overjoyed, and I told him, I said, look, customer service, I will be on hold for 2 hours, if not longer, and could you please help me out? And he's like, absolutely. And then he shared with me that tons of customers are having issues, like big issues. So if you can get a cool store manager to help you out, you can show them your phone, the booster, how this should work. And you did pay cash for the balance. It's not like you're using points or anything like that. Maybe they'll see it your way. And if your store is super strict and everything's a hard and fast no, you know what I would do? A couple of these deals using points and not try to use one of these boosters, because it seems like everything, there's a wrench and like nothing's working. And this is week 2 of this. But yet that weird digital booster from earlier in the month worked for me on that basket that I only spent $9. So I don't really understand it either. Wednesday I will have a matchups for the beauty event. And I would really recommend wait for me. I will go out on Thursday morning to do a couple deals, and I will let you guys know right away if it's working or if it's not working. That being said, good luck out there, guys. Keep your sense of humor, and like there are some deals to be had and found. Like 47 cents each. Shut up. That's just too great. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and call it a day. I'm like so excited with my haul today. Like altogether, I did the math after everything was said and done. This is like a $7.68 money maker. Like I'm so delighted with that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.